plano kami.
Okay, thank you, Coach Nos. 2, Aida, you had 16 of 33 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, and 4 digs. So, we are now almost in the finish line of this elimination round. So, what the team needs to improve, especially now that Final 4 is almost here.
So, I'm very happy for my teammate to begin this week and to begin again for the elimination. So we do a good job with the team, and then I think next game we just do again and this week.
Okay, thank you, Final. The floor is open for questions. Bill.
Coach and Father, it's 5 straight wins na po for the Lady Tabs. Picking up good wins. What can you say about anything the Final for na may konting momentum na dala yung team?
Siguro nakaka-boost talaga yung moral against them sa ST. So, nag-level up yung mindset nila. So, yung preparation namin nagiging maganda sa training. So, ayun, hopefully matapos namin yung second round ng maganda and makapagbigat sa end yung side.
Fine, the same question. 5 straight wins, correct?
Yes, and sabi ni Coach, and Coach said that we need to make it Bawi to the second round, and we do also. We have, I said, we have confidence. It's very strong, this confidence. We need to help each other and to make it each other happy and down. We need to help the coaches and the teams.
Coach, I have a question.
Peace.
Coach Laos, my question is, what are your thoughts in terms of efforts of the players who struggled in the past games like sila Marga, sila Panangin? Ano po yung thoughts niyo sa efforts na especially during this game?
Effort. Kasi effort na nakikita ko hindi naman sa game. Effort after ng experience na yung feeling na ganun lang. So, ano yung balik na. So, makikita naman sa training na talagang gusto nila na pakita pa nila yung one sila. So,
question lang po for coach. Ano po yung naging mentality ko para po nagkaroon po ng game round po na nagkaroon po ng konting problema sa setup?
Siguro yung stick pa rin dun sa system talaga. Siguro nakaka-proud si Faida kasi first round nag-i-struggle siya. Talagang hirap siyang hindi pa siya comfortable sa UAAP, pero nung nakatigim na siya, nakaramdam na siya, and nakausap niya yung mga teammates niya, yun, naniwala siya mismo sa sarili niya, naniwala siya na kaya niya pala. So, ayun, ginagawa lang namin consistent na maging ganun yung performance ni Faida or higitan niya pa yung every last game na.
Yes po. To the second round, I'm very determination to make it Bawi because the first round I didn't play like I'm playing to another competition like league shakings, and then to the second round I said I need to make it Bawi. Otherwise I'm just talking with coach. He said to coach, I need to make it Bawi. Give me all this chance and I need to do it.
Coach, and I guess after 5 wins, for you, parang looking at the girls, gusto ko yung confidence nila and mentality during the last elimination game, knowing na hindi nyo pa natatalo this season, this.
Ayun, siguro sa confidence, wala akong masabi kasi ang ganda ng training, maganda yung mood, maganda talagang gusto nila. Kung nasa na sila ngayon, kung nasa na kami ngayon, talagang gusto nila. Kaya Yeah.
For Coach